So we have this bearing, which is quite grimy, and first thing you want to do is to take the cage out like this, pushing on the cage, and it just drops off. Then what we want to do is push these bearings so that they all sit one next to each other. This way we can pull the inside part, race or whatever it's called, we can pull it where that space forms, and the bearings just drop on a towel because you don't want them to fly off. And as you can hopefully see, these metal parts are quite dirty, and we can wipe them off, make them perfectly clean like this. Also the metal spheres, also the cage, right. So now we have all parts clean. What we want to do is put some oil in the outer ring so that the spheres will stick to it. It's a lot easier this way, and we need to lubricate it anyway, so we can start doing this now. Afterwards you need some sort of support, like this wrench here, and then we can put the spheres in one by one. We can use some object to push them so that they sit at the bottom part. I don't know how well you can see this, maybe try it like this. Ah, fuck. So we can push this like this and put all the spheres in. And now that all the spheres are in, we can put the inner part, something along these lines, then push it in, right? And once we start moving at least one of these spheres where the empty space is, the inner ring kind of gets locked in there. So if I do like this, now it doesn't come off. Right, so once we're in this part, in this situation, all we need to do is make these spheres sit equally distanced, and then we put the cage in, and the washers or whatever these things are called, and that's about it. You can put some more oil in it if you want, and that's it.